Hi everybody, I'm Barb Elliott.
And I'm Bev Wiseman.
And we're here to demonstrate for you the sampling process called the stationary kick and sweep for collecting benthic macroinvertebrates. So Bev and I are going to demonstrate that for you this morning. So the first thing we have to do is figure out the site that we're going to use for sampling. And we've chosen this site right here. We're on Jennings Creek. This is called a riffle area because we have stones, fist-sized to larger sized material that is actually causing some turbulence in the water flow. So we basically have shallow water, the surface is broken, so we've got some aeration happening there. You can see that and hear it. This is called a riffle area of the stream, and this is one of the spots that's a very good location for collecting benthic macroinvertebrates. So when you do your sample, you're going to have to find an area that's similar to this, where you have the surface broken, fist size or larger cobbles, you have some aeration happening, and the water tends to be moving fairly quickly, so it's fast, shallow water. So this is called a riffle area, and this is what we're going to do for our sampling. When we collect benthic macroinvertebrates, it's very important not to disturb the sampling site before we do the sample. So Bev and I are going to approach the site from downstream and then set up our net. So, ready?
Here we go.
So we're now going to come up to the site from downstream. Right here. And the other thing that we're going to do is set this net up at right angles to the current flow. So you can see the current is flowing this direction. So Bev's going to set the net up at right angles to that current flow right there. And what we're going to do is basically, first of all, secure the bottom of the net with some stones from within our sampling area, because we want to make sure that any of the invertebrates that we catch don't flow downstream and out of our net. So I've secured the bottom of the net with a couple of stones. And what we're going to be doing, what I'll be doing, is while Bev is holding the net back, you notice she's got it tipped back a little bit, about a 70-degree angle. That's to make it easier for the inverts to flow into the net while we're doing our collection. And I'll be sampling a 1 by 1 meter square area, okay, above the net. I'm going to kick the substrate for 1 minute, and then I'm going to sweep the rocks for another minute. So that's what we're going to do next.